Welcome to Benchmark Boutique. I'm Cassandra and I'm happy to be crafting with you today. Today we are going to be making this bucket and shovel file. This is a great way to celebrate beach themes, sandbox themes, joy in childhood, bucket list, so many awesome things. So let's get started building this. The first thing you're going to want to do is cut out your supplies. This is a great place to stop the video. Make sure you get your cardstock cut out and then hop back on and we'll go over the assembly together. You have your pieces cut out. Grab your glue pen. I'm using Elmer's Glue All, and let's get started. We're going to use some movie magic and fast forward. Dab some glue on the ends of the base of the handle. Attach them to the base of the bucket. Next, add your depth layer at the top of the bucket. Doesn't take a lot of glue to make it stick, so you can feel free to be conservative and let those craft supplies stretch out. Now we add the lip of the bucket. And then we're going to make sure that we get it pushed down just so everything lines up. It covers the handles as well as part of that shadow layer. Now we're going to add the detail to the handle layer. Next, we're going to add the stripes on the bucket. Now these stripes are two different sizes, so make sure that you line them up and make sure that you get the longer one on the longer position and the shorter one in the shorter position. The one on top is the longer one. And once you get your stripes added to your bucket, this is a quick and easy project. So this is a nice thing to do if you don't have a lot of time. Now we just add the accent layer to the shovel. And there you go. You have your bucket and shovel completed. Congratulations. I had a great time crafting with you today. I hope you did as well. Until next time when we craft again, I'm Cassandra with Benchmark Boutique.